Nowadays, multi-effects pedals have become the norm, incorporating amp simulation alongside a plethora of other features. This shift has prompted an increasing number of guitarists to forego traditional amplifiers in favor of the convenience and versatility offered by modern multi-effects units. Whether you seek to enhance your current pedalboard setup or completely overhaul your rig, the present moment presents an opportune time to explore the realm of multi-effects pedals. So today, we have come up with 5 must-have multi-effects pedals that you should buy. Imagine wielding the Helix, a dual DSP-powered floor pedal that seamlessly merges amp and effects models. With a staggering 1,024 preset slots organized into 8 set lists, each containing 32 banks of 4 presets, the possibilities are endless. Each preset supports up to 4 stereo signal paths, each adorned with 8 blocks of amps and effects. With 41 AMP models, 7 bass amps, 30 cabs, 16 mics, and 80 effects, plus the option for speaker impulse responses, the Helix offers unparalleled sound creation. Its intuitive editing system, complete with a joystick and touch-sensitive foot switches, allows for effortless parameter adjustment, even with your feet. Beyond factory presets, the Helix excels in crafting personalized sounds. Its comprehensive input-output and signal routing capabilities make it suitable for any guitar-related studio or live performance task. Experience the Helix and unlock a universe of sonic possibilities. Boasting the formidable 2 GHz quad-core Shark DSP, the Neural DSP Quad Cortex emerges as a formidable ally for discerning guitarists. While it may not come cheap, its allure among professional players is undeniable. The Quad Cortex processing might elevate the bar for amp modeling and effects, delivering a sonic fidelity that challenges perception. In rigorous blind tests, distinguishing between the Quad Cortex and authentic gear becomes a daunting task. With the added capability to emulate personal gear, transitioning to modeling becomes a compelling proposition. Compact yet durable, the Quad Cortex impresses with its innovative fusion of foot switches and rotary controls, maintaining a sleek profile compared to its counterparts. Envision consolidating all your amplifiers, cabinets, and effects pedals into a unit no larger than a laptop, a feat that defies expectations. Imagine the Kemper Profiler stage as not just another addition to your pedalboard, but a complete overhaul of your entire rig. This compact powerhouse doesn't just offer a plethora of amp and effects combinations, it revolutionizes your approach to guitar gear. Loaded with meticulously profiled amp models and effects, each crafted in professional studios, the Profiler stage guarantees top-tier sound quality. From classic distortions to lush choruses and everything in between, the possibilities are endless, all effortlessly customizable via the intuitive Rig Manager app by Kemper. Crafted with durability in mind, the Profiler stage is ready to withstand the rigors of extensive touring. With built-in features like a looper and tuner, along with the ability to connect up to 4 expression pedals for dynamic control, it's a versatile tool for any guitarist. And with a multitude of connectivity options on the back, this multi-effects pedal stands as a pinnacle of comprehensive guitar processing. Over time, Mooer, a Chinese brand, has carved out a niche for itself by striking a balance between affordability and quality. Initially known for budget-friendly alternatives to renowned pedal brands, Mooer has evolved into a legitimate player in the low to mid-range market segment. Enter the Mooer GE200, a prime example of Mooer's evolution. Despite its modest price tag, this unit boasts an impressive array of effects, models, and tools that rival those found in more expensive counterparts. With 70 top-notch effects on board, the GE200 delivers stellar sound quality. Notably, its capability to load custom impulse responses allows for precise tweaking of speaker outputs, enhancing its versatility and appeal. In essence, the Mooer GE200 proves itself as a highly capable contender worthy of consideration. Enter the Eventide H90 Harmonizer, the successor to the revered Eventide H9, a staple on the pedal boards of many professional guitarists. Recognizing the trend of guitarists incorporating 2 H9s for expanded sonic possibilities, Eventide took a bold step by essentially merging 2 H9s into a single unit for the H90. The H90 seamlessly blends conventional delays and reverbs with avant-garde pitch-shifting effects, catering to those who crave sonic exploration. If you've exhausted traditional effects and yearn for something truly innovative, the H90 stands ready to fulfill your sonic desires. Boasting an extensive array of routing options, the H90 integrates effortlessly into any rig. Whether you prefer effects before or after your amplifier, the H90 offers unparalleled flexibility. Moreover, its exceptional editing app renders it equally adept in the studio environment. Beyond being a guitarist's dream, the Eventide H90 harmonizer transcends boundaries, finding its place among studio professionals seeking unparalleled sonic manipulation. That was our list of the 5 must-have multi-effects pedals to buy. Which one of these are you going to get for yourself? Do you own any of these? Let us know, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.